All right. Well, okay, guys. I've been thinking. We've done a few brewery rides. Those were fun. But with all this tropical weather, I can't help but think about going tropical. We're going to go to a tiki bar today. So how many of you are within riding distance of a tiki bar? Why do I ride my bike to a tiki bar? Because I can. And it's my day off. So anyway, the Prado-S, super comfortable. I usually upgrade my bikes with a shock absorber seat post and a bigger seat with a memory foam in it, but it's really not necessary on this bike. The seat that is on this is super cushy and super wide. So you've seen my videos on the other mountain bike, on the Ranger fat mountain bike. That bike is awesome. It's an absolute beast. But it's not so great for people that are under, 5'10", 5'9". Those big fat tires, they just make it sit up really high. I mean, it has a really great suspension, but it's hard to get onto. I'm 6 foot plus, and it's tall for me. So the Prado-S has a nice step-through frame. The seat lowers down real low. I let my wife sit on it last night. It'll actually go down low enough that she'll be able to ride it. And she's only 5 foot something. You guys see that? There was a dolphin. Let's go back and see if he's still there. He was right beside the seawall. Dolphin or a manatee? Oh yeah, it's a dolphin.
What's the cool thing for?
That's a camera, 360 camera.
Ah.
There's a dolphin right here.
Really?
Yeah. He's right down there now, right along the seawall. Coming back this way. That's pretty cool. Feeding on something right there along the edge of the seawall. There he goes. the cool thing about Florida. You never know what you're going to see. I'm just cruising along the seawall, and I look over and there's a dolphin right beside me, no more than 10 feet away. So if you guys wonder what I do for a living, it's not e-bikes, but I do have a pretty cool job. I'm a paramotor instructor. I own and run a paramotor school called Florida Flight Sports. You see I'm always wearing these shirts. Check it out, I'll put a link in the description if you know what a paramotor is. It's a very lightweight aircraft engine that straps on your back, and we fly with a parachute type wing. Our gliders or wings are much like skydiving parachutes, just have a longer glide ratio. All right. Detour. Doesn't look like we can get through the road there anymore. They're working on the seawall down there or something. That's all right. We got an electric light. We'll do a detour. So anyway. Hey guys, that was Caddy's. That's our local tiki bar. See. All packaged and shipped. We're going to go ahead and open her up and get to business. So the instructions on the box say that we should start out opening the top and turning it upside down. Surrounded in this high density foam that just protects everything while it's being shipped.